creating a work ritual to get you focused. Daily rituals and habits have a large impact on our productivity and ability to concentrate. By making a work ritual, you can help yourself focus and tackle the day. In this work ritual, there are 4 things you should do every day to help you stay focused. Let's check out this ritual. 1. Create a focused environment. The first step in your workday ritual is creating a focused environment. It's nearly impossible to stay focused and concentrate on your work if your environment is full of distractions. Making your environment distraction-free helps you get in the zone. Begin by turning off your phone or limiting access to websites on your computer. There are a number of tools, apps, and settings that can help you control what you are allowed to view on your devices during the workday. Limiting distracting applications such as Instagram or Facebook can help a lot. Additionally, try to eliminate any unnecessary noises. If you work in an office, you might want to shut your office door so that you aren't distracted by any chatty coworkers. Invest in noise-canceling headphones if needed. 2. Prioritize tasks for the day. Once you have created your focused environment, start going through your to-do list and prioritize tasks for the day. Prioritize tasks according to urgency and need. This will help you have a firm grasp on what tasks you need to accomplish and what tasks are okay to miss if you run out of time. As you prioritize your tasks, it may be helpful to list the tasks you've been dreading first. Prioritizing these tasks first can help you get them out of the way. If you keep procrastinating on them, you might be too tired to give them the effort you need later on in the day. 3. Set mini goals. After prioritizing your daily tasks, set mini goals. These goals will help you stay on track and give you a time frame for each individual task. Make these goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. All of these characteristics will keep you on your toes to accomplish your tasks. For example, let's say that one of your most important tasks for the day is to prepare for a phone interview that is scheduled for 2 p.m. A great mini goal to set for this task is researching 3 specific points you wish to make during the call before 12 p.m. This gives you time to practice your points too. 4. Create a work break flow. Finally, the last important aspect of your work ritual should be a helpful work break flow. A work break flow is a time management skill that will break up your working time into more manageable chunks. These manageable chunks will be separated by short breaks. For example, you may want to work for 30 minutes and follow that work period with a 5-minute break. You should create a work break flow and stick to it daily. As your concentration improves, you might want to increase the working time intervals. Final thoughts. Now that you've learned 4 important steps to creating an effective work ritual, it's time to make it your own. Add any other steps or features that you think will make your workday more efficient and productive.